ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಸನ್ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್, ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಡ್ರಾ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ನ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಗೆಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಹಿಯರ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಡ್ರಾ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್
Ashika Ranganathan is accepted our request to grace the occasion and to distribute the lucky winners. The lucky winner is 150 gram. You know, today gold price is looking at it, 10 gram is over 80,000 rupees, 50 gram on winner from Chennapatna, an auto driver. I am very lucky that people deserve got this offer, this prize. And 2 10-gram winners were also today. We have distributed totally 3. In addition to this, in the last 55 days, the scheme ended in November 24th. Every day 100 gold gram, 1 gram were given. Genuinely they were given, and then all the data is available in our website. So this company stands for the quality and our commitment. So we made sure that all the commitments are fulfilled today, because total 300,000. So the whole scratch winners are, people who have scratched the coupons and texted us are waiting for you to relay that who are the winners, right? So we want to make sure that she is here and enough coverage comes. And another thing is, some other day I come across an office scenario, because there in Andhra Pradesh our market share is over 70%. So a lot of fans of Freedom are there. Some old guy, they come with 100 coupons, because still the bumper winners were not announced, only last week announced. We wanted to make sure that whether he is a winner, and we said soon we are going to give a press release. So people are excited about the freedom schemes and all that. I am glad that we are doing very well in Karnataka, and as I said, we are the largest sunflower oil. Freedom is the largest brand in India.
So how much gifted have been distributed?
As I said, 5,501 gram coins were given during everyday 100 gram, and that all the data is there in our Freedom sites. And then today for Karnataka state, there were 3 lucky winners, 150 gram and 2 10 gram. You have seen that winners. That's what it is.
It's not genuine.
100% genuine. There is no, you can't do a